Hey guys, here's a tutorial on how to make paper squishies. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make this kind that looks like a box. You'll need paper, a pencil, stuffing, a ruler, these kinds of tapes, something to color with, scissors, and something for inspo. I'm going to be making outshine. I usually freehand, but it might be easier for you to trace, so let me show you. I prefer doing freehand, but here's how to trace. Now you want to color and make sure it's the size of the squishy you want. Get your ruler and your pencil and make sure the sides are about 1 inch. Make 2 lines on each side, like this, and then make a line on top, like this. Now do that to all sides. Next you can choose if you want to color it. I am. Okay, it's all colored. Now you want to get big scotch tape like this and laminate the entire thing. Not the whole paper, but just the square. Now you want to cut it out. It should look like this. Now you're going to fold all of the sides like I'm doing right here. It should look like this. And now we're going to tape them close. Make sure there's no holes. Do what I'm doing here and do that to all sides. It should look like this. Now we're going to make a back for it and make sure to laminate it. Tape all sides down, but leave one open so you can stuff it. It's very important. Get your stuffing, and now let's stuff it. And now tape it shut. And you are all done. If you feel like it's easy to squish, look around in your squishy for air holes and tape those shut. Now I'm going to teach you how to make like a Pringles type shape. I don't have enough time to actually do it, so I'm just going to kind of show you. Roll it up to the size you and now tape it. You're going to want to get paper circles the size of these and tape those on. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment any questions you have. Oh, now I have to outshine. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!